pocket thermo-anemometer, which measures wind speed and Beaufort force with 10 seconds averaging function. Additional measurements include temperature, relative humidity, dew point, wet bulb and wind chill. A protective housing folds up for a better reach. It is equipped with a vane impeller, wind direction indicator, temperature and humidity sensors, LCD display, 2 physical buttons, a tripod mount and a built-in compass. It is powered by a single CR2032 battery, also included in the set. Additionally, the set contains a lanyard for higher convenience.